If you like custom car content, then you are in the right place. Keep watching this video. My name's Eric, and today we are headed to Grounds and Gears in Virginia Beach. Tons of custom cars out here and stuff, so check it out. If you guys like it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and enjoy the show.
Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Putting the work in, hitting the gym and like pudding is hurting. Raising the levels is what I've been searching. Taking them out at the speed like a gherkin. No time for jerking. When I'm in the cut, I'm more like a surgeon. Take a look at the stock and they'll be learning. Set I'm on fire with flows got them burning. It's over 9,000, power levels so high over the mountain. Thousands of counting, stacking the money, I need an accountant. But I stay grounded, never forgetting about where I was founded. Man, them will always tell me how I'm sounding. Think that I'm ready for crowning. Got them running, 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 got them running for me. Got them running, 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 got them running for peace. Got them running, 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 got them running for G's, for G's, for G's. You should take a look around. Look what I started, starting from the ground. Did it from the heart, never telling any lies. Something in that world, that's why it's my time. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Picture me winning, picture me holding the trophy I'm winning. Knew it would be like this from the beginning. I did it myself, no I ain't need a bringing. I'm flinging the competition in a prison of bars. Got the whole game in submission. I always knew I would get in this position. They marveling me cause they F with their vision. Been on a mission, no time for a side quest. They lapping up whatever that I write. Next spiritual food for thought you could digest it. It's pitch perfect, don't need a mic check. It's what my life meant. I'll be smashing it into retirement. Raising the bar is a requirement. I stay inspired and I stay inspiring. Got them running, running, running. Got them running for me. Got them running, running, running. Got them running for peace. Got them running, running, running. Got them running for G's, for G's, for G's. You should take a look around. Look what I started, starting from the ground. Did it from the heart, never telling any lies. Something in that world, that's why it's my time. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard. Level, level, level up, level, level up. Hustle, hustle, hustle hard, hard, hustle hard.
I got money, ain't it changed. I got girls, they ain't strange. Not to mention, I don't do the tension. When I'm in your ends, I beat you the entrance. And I don't need no guest list when I pull up to the palace. Smoking every room, yeah, we smoking on the chalice. Red cup and we okay. Red cup and we located in the back room where they do things. Everybody know we okay, got a crew living. Gotta be kidding. All of these hundreds of millions, not one of these women's is smitten. All of them wanted the feeling, they know that they gonna get it in a minute. But if they can't really cool out, it's so chillin'. Yeah, I feel young.
Say no more. Say no more.
come and meet me at the park. We can start something fun late after dark. Swimming in the water, girl, and there's a lot of sharks. Jump into my boat, yeah, I'll help you stay afloat. Yeah, I ain't had a smoke yet, no, I'm not joking. Roll up in your party, and you know I'm always loaded. Whole house like a club thing, whole house like a party though. If you got the camera out, it'll look like some Mardi Gras. Red cup and we okay, red cup and we located. The back room where they do things. Whole click on them new things. Nobody rockin' with the mood swings. Nobody rockin' with them rude things. Yeah, I'ma have to let the two sing. What's it saying? Feeling like I'm young and wild. Say no more. Feeling like I'm young and wild. Say no more.
hoes ain't getting no dough. They just wanna kick it like Dojo. I bought a new car, had to take the roof off. Got a couple bad bitches with their shoes off. Bust that top piece down, just bought a new watch. I be riding around my town with all my jewels on. Don't try to tag me in your photos, cause that'll tie me with the popos. You bought a whip and you post it. I bought a whip and I'm ghosting. That's the difference, I'm focused, hold up. You posting pics to get noticed. You just can't wait to repost it. Take a sip, bitch, you thirsty, yeah. Take a step back. Get that money, trap. I bought a new car, had to take the roof off. Got a couple bad bitches with their shoes off. Bust that top piece down, just bought a new watch. I be riding around my town with all my jewels on. Bought a new car, had to take the roof off. Got a couple bad bitches with their shoes off. Bust that top piece down, just bought a new watch. I be riding around my town with all my jewels on. Getting ghost on them. Coops, no photos in case you wanna roll.